you know, it's hard. Okay, it's just hard thinking of what you're gonna say. Maybe if I drink some coffee, it'll help. ASMR. All right, okay. So this is my high grade Leo. I built this for a competition that we are having here in my Facebook group. Took me about a month and a half solely because I couldn't come up with a concept for it. So I eventually went for the night look because I have all the Hgacs anyways, the RG Hgacs kit. Am I even saying that right? I don't know. All the Hgac kits, and I want to do like a kind of like a mini diorama for it. Maybe not. I don't know. In order for me to achieve this look, I kit bashed it with a whole bunch of other kits. Not a whole bunch, but like 2 different kits, which is this one right here. I have no clue what this kit is. I bought this from an auction that I won. Right there, I stole the backpack from it and glued it right there. And let me put that right there. And my high grade 1/100 Akatsuki Gundam. I stole the shield from it. Okay. What else did I do? I also, oh yeah, the weapon too was from that green kit. If somebody knows what kit that is, let me know because I don't. Alright. So, what else was I gonna talk about? Let's go over the paints real quick that I used. So, real quick, minus the primer, which is the Mr. Surfacer. That's what I use. So it's still wrapped. This just got delivered a couple of days ago for me. And for the main color, I used the Model Masters silver chrome paint right there for the main body, right? I don't know if people could see this or not right there. And then for the gold accents, I use the gold Model Masters enamel paint right there. The inner frame is a combination of steel enamel paint right there, and also gunmetal for the kind of like the joints and stuff. Let me go like that part right there, and that part, and some of that part right there, and all that good stuff. I mean, this is definitely out of the 5 kits that I built, this is my 3rd favorite, that's for sure. Definitely not a very clean build for me. There's some nub marks in there that I missed, that I started noticing when I was putting it all together, like on the weapons, some parts of the kits and stuff. I thought I got rid of most of them, but I really didn't, now that I was inspecting it and stuff like that. I also didn't sand it enough, so some of the parts on here will have like some scratch marks on it from the sanding and all that good stuff. But overall, this is my 3rd favorite kit that I built so far. As you can see, let me see here, I glued some stuff in there. The horn, I got that from, I want to say, a Kotobukiya weapon that I cut off, and I just put it in there. That's from the head. The mask is actually from the Master Grade Crossbone full cloth Gundam that I built, and it came with an extra mask, and that's what that is. That little part right there. I don't know if I'm pointing on that or not. And all I did to attach the giant shield right there was, you know, just put a little bit of modification here and there, and then some glue and stuff. People can do that, it's easy. Also, I also did some, what do you call that? Some plating on the knees and the chest. Not a lot, just a little bit. You know, I tried not to mod it so much. I wanted to somewhat preserve the look of it. So, not a lot of plating for this kit. I also, oh, I forgot, I also stole the gloves from this green kit right over here and attached it onto him right there, because the original gloves that came with the kit is very skinny and it's not gonna fit very well, at least for the look that I was going for. I wanted to bulk them up just a little bit. I did some plating on the shoulders right there too. The little chrome me look right there, I actually got that from this chrome pen that I bought from Hobby Lobby right there. Very expensive. It's like $12, $13 I think. And some of the gold parts for it, I also use this gold pen right there. Alright, what else did I do? Oh, I never went through the weapons. The weapon right there was also from the green kit right here. Somebody gotta let me know what this kit is, because I don't know what it is. I stole it from that. I was gonna paint the effect part right there, but when I was looking at it, when I put it together, I was like, you know what? I like the green. I like the green look of it, so I just left it alone. It's not a lot I did to this kit, but you know, slight modifications here and there, and a lot of metallic painting, like as you can see there. And then the way I attached the backpack right there is I just glued it. That's all. I did a lot of gluing on this kit, not a lot of plating. That's for sure. Like the little details and stuff on the leg part right there. There's like a little booster-ish, quote unquote. And there, I just glued that in there. It's nothing fancy or anything, you know. Also the plating right there. This is still, you know, I'm still pretty sloppy with my work. My goal is to really do like a really clean look, and I'm still working on that. That's why I haven't even touched a master grade at all. Okay, that's it for me. Everybody stay safe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like, and goodbye. Eventually I'll get this send off right. Yeah, maybe. Bye bye.